Good day! Can you identify this diagram? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. This is the number line. It is a straight line having an arrow on both ends and is now divided into smaller units. We will mark the center as the point of origin as 0. As we go to the right, the number is increasing. For demonstration purposes, we will limit the number into 10. Remember, this arrow means infinity. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay walang katapusang positive numbers. Uulitin ko, ang numbers na nasa kanan ng 0 ay mga positive numbers. Mamaya naman, pag-uusapan natin ang mga numbers sa kaliwa ng 0. Ito ang negative numbers. Sa ngayon, ang positive numbers ang ating i-discuss. Makakatulong sa ating discussion ay si kangaroo. Alam niyo ba ang pangalan ng baby kangaroo? Alam niyo ba na ang native na hayop ng Australia ay gumagamit ng buntot bilang tulong sa pagtalon ng dalawang paa? At Joey naman ang tawag sa baby kangaroo. Alam niyo rin ba na ang kangaroo ay hindi nakakatalon ng pabaliktad? Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang number line, kailangan natin ang tulong ni kangaroo. At itong mga balls naman, ito ang tatalunin ni kangaroo. Mula 0 ay tatalon si kangaroo one step at a time. Pagkatapos ng 10, bababa tayo upang umpisahan natin ang 11. At tuloy-tuloy ang pagtalon ni kangaroo. At ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy ang pagtalon ni kangaroo hanggang siya ay mapagod. Dahil ayaw nating mapagod si kangaroo, hanggang 40 lang muna tayo ngayon. Naintindihan ba natin ang lesson? To test your skills in identifying numbers, we will have a short quiz. What number is it, kangaroo? 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 Good day. Do you know how many numbers do we have? That will be our lesson today. Have you heard about digits? A number may have one or more digits. We have learned from our number line, as we go to the right, it becomes bigger and bigger. Take a look with this example. Let's compare number 5 and number 10. 5 has 1 digit, while 10 has 2 digits. A number may contain 0 to 9 digits. Now tell me, how many numbers are there in this example? Yes, there is only one number, 935, but it contains 3 digits, 9, 3, and 5. 935 is a 3-digit number. Another example is number 10. It has 2 digits. 10 is an example of a 2-digit number. The digits are 1 and 0. This is number 50. It has 2 digits, 5 and 0. Another example is number 5. It has only 1 digit. Therefore, the digit is 5. The next number is 935. It has 3 digits. This is also called a 3-digit number. The next one is 953. It has digits 9, 5, and 3. Next number is 539. It has 3 digits. Another example of 3-digit number is 359. It has digits 3, 5, and 9. Let's have a short quiz. For example, read the number and find the number of digits. Are you ready? You may answer like this. The number is 34. It has 2 digits, and the digits are 3 and 3. Another example, the number is 3. It has 1 digit, and the digit is 3. Now it's your turn to answer the following questions. This is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join. Good day. Our lesson for today is pretty easy. All you have to do is to count the number of digits. For example, number 31 has 2 digits. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that your teacher can hear you. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Question number 1. How many digits are there? Number 2. How many digits are there? Number 3. How many digits are there? Number 4. How many digits are there? Number 5. How many digits are there? Question number 6. How many digits are there? Number 7. How many digits are there? Number 8. How many digits are there? Number 9. How many digits are there? Number 10. How many digits are there? Number 11. How many digits are there? Question number 12. How many digits are there? Number 13. How many digits are there? Number 14. How many digits are there? Number 15. How many digits are there? 16. How many digits are there? Number 17. How many digits are there? Number 18. How many digits are there? Number 19. How many digits are there? Question number 20. How many digits are there? Number 21. How many digits are there? Number 22. How many digits are there? Number 23. How many digits are there? Number 24. How many digits are there? Number 25. How many digits are there? Congratulations, this ends the lesson for today. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, next time you will make it better. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Good day, kids! Can you identify the place value of the said digit? That will be our lesson today. Our lesson for today is about place values of whole numbers. From the previous lessons, we have learned about digits, and digits are part of a number. At ang bawat digit ay may ibig sabihin. Let's take for example the number 456. Ito ay isang example ng isang 3-digit number. Let's have another example, number 56. Ito ay isang example ng 2-digit number. At ito naman ay isang 1-digit number. Ano ba ang place? Ito ay ang lugar ng bawat digit sa number na tinutukoy natin. Ano naman ang value? Ito ay ang halaga ng bawat digit sa kanya-kanyang pwesto. Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang lesson, kailangan ko si magic stick. The magic stick will represent the number in the number line. Ating lesson, ang tandaan nyo lang ay yung lugar kung saan nyo. Because for any place, there is a value. For demonstration purposes, we will color code the squares to represent the different place values of a number. Let's start from the right. The first place value is ones. Next is tens. And then the hundreds. There you have it. Ones, tens, and then hundreds. Kunyari lang, meron akong isang stick. Paano ko ito isusulat? Very good! The numeral 1 represents one stick. Paano naman kaya kung dalawang stick meron ako? Tama! Ito ang ating isusulat bilang numeral. At ang tatlong stick ay ganito naman maisusulat. Let's continue counting them. Paano ko isusulat naman ngayon kung nakarating na ako sa 9 magic sticks? Ito na ang mangyayari sa kanya. 9 sticks is equal to a numeral of 9. Ano kayang mangyayari pag nagdagdag ako ng isa pang magic stick? Paano ko isasaksak sa isang square? Remember that one digit is only allowed to one square. Remember that 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 has 2 digits already. Ano ang gagawin natin? I have here 10 individual sticks. The 10 sticks can be bundled into one. Paano na natin isusulat ang numeral 10 sa kanya-kanyang squares? Alam niyo na ba? Ooh, very good! Digit 1 is in the tens place, and 0 is in the ones place. Kapag tinanong sa iyo ano ang value ng digit 1, the answer will be 110 or merely 10. Let's move on to the next level. How about this number of magic sticks? Digit 2 will be written on the tens place, while digit 0 will be written on the ones place. How do you write this 3 bundle of magic sticks? Now we have 9 bundles of 10 individual sticks. Therefore, there are 9 tens or 90 individual sticks. Upang mas maayos tingnan, pagpapatong-patungin natin ang mga bundles ng ating magic sticks. Ngayong maayos ng tingnan, magdadagdag ulit ako ng mga magic sticks. 90 plus 1 is equal to... That's correct. How about if I added 9 more to 90? What will I write? That's right, 9 tens and 9 ones. How about if I added one bundle of 10 individual sticks? Therefore, there will be 10 bundles of magic sticks already. How will I write then? Yes, that's correct. Who got it right? We are now moving to the next level. The place value is called hundreds. Now, digit 1 is in the hundreds place, and the value is 100. Please be reminded that 10 bundles of 10 individual sticks is equal to 1 bundle of 100. Pareho lang ang halaga. Ito naman ang 200, 201, 210, 215, 30, 6, 236. This shows that digit 2 is in the hundreds place, while digit 3 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the ones place. Let's review. And this is how you are going to write number in words. It is being hyphenated. Now it's your turn to identify the place value of the following. The number is 745. Digit 4 is in the tens place. It has a value of 4 tens or 40. Good day, kids. Can anyone tell me about what this square's for? That will be our lesson for today. In this video, I am going to explain the first three place values of a certain number. We will be using three squares to represent the different place values. Red for the ones, blue for the tens, and yellow for the hundreds. Just remember that for each square, it will allow only one digit. Upang mas lalo nating maintindihan ang ating lesson on place value, gagamit tayo ng larawan ng isda. Kung meron akong isang pirasong isda, saan ko ilalagay? Sa placeholder natin? Is it in the hundreds place? Is it on the tens place? Or is it on the ones place? See it? It is on the ones place. How about if I got 5 pieces of fish? Aling place value ang ating gagamitin? You are right! 5 can still be accommodated in the ones place. How about 9? Can it still be accommodated in the ones place? The answer is yes. 9 can still be accommodated in the ones place. How about 10? Can it still be accommodated in the ones place? Remember that our placeholder, the square one, can accommodate only one digit. Ano ang gagawin natin? Now, our tens place has 1 and the ones place has 0. Therefore, it means that the tens place has a value of 10. This means that numeral 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. Ano ang magiging itsura ng ating 12? Magkakaroon kaya ng value ang ones? Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa kanya? Sa 12, merong 1 10 and then 2 ones. Kapag tinanong ka kung ano ang value ng tens place, your answer will be 1 tenths or simply 10. Kapag ang tinanong naman sa iyo kung ano ang value ng ones place, the answer will be 2 ones. Indihan nyo na ba kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng blue square at ang red square? Paano naman kaya kung meron akong 99 pieces of fish? Paano ko kaya isuswak sa ating tatlong squares? Magkakaroon na kaya ng laman ang hundreds place? O hanggang tens place lang tayo? Tingnan natin. Sa tens place, meron tayong 9. At sa ones place, meron din tayong 9. Always remember that for each place value, it can only accommodate one digit. Ngayong nadagdagan pa ng isang isda, magiging 100 na silang lahat. Paano ko naman isuswak sa ating place value ang numeral 100? Naisip nyo na ba kung papaano? Yan ang huling lesson natin. O ayan na, meron ng laman ang hundreds place at ang tens place ay 0. Likewise, ang ones place ay may 0 digit. As a summary, for a 3-digit number, there is a place, and each place there is a value. I hope you learned something today on place values. Good day, kids. Can you identify the place value of digit 6? That will be our lesson for today. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the first 3 place values, namely ones, tens, and hundreds. This time, we will learn about the next 3 place values. Starting from the right, digit 7 is in the ones place. Digit 8 is in the tens place. And digit 9 is in the hundreds place. Digit 3 is in the thousands place. Digit 2 is in the 10,000s place. And digit 1 is in the 100,000s place. Let's have another example. This is a 6-digit number. Can you tell me the digit where it occupies the hundreds place? How about the thousands place? How about 100,000s place? How about ones place? What digit occupies the tens place? What is the digit that occupies the 10,000s place? Let's repeat. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Alright, let's have a short quiz. All you have to do is to identify the place value of the encircled digit. Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? You may answer, the encircled digit is in the thousands place. I repeat, the encircled digit is in the thousands place. Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Can you tell me the place value of the encircled digit? Congratulations kids! Ngayong alam niyo na ang ibig sabihin ng digits, place value at value. Yayain niyo na yung mga kaibigan at mag-join na sa ating I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Good day. Can you read this number? This will be our lesson for today. For today, we are going to discuss on how to read big whole numbers. For the first two digits, just read it as is. Like for example, 1. For 21, just read it as 21. For every 3 digit, you must remember the keyword 100. For example, digit 3 followed by 100 and then followed by the next 2 digits. Meaning, this is 321. This is an example of a 4-digit number. For every 3 digits starting from the right, there is a separator called comma. We will code this as 1,000. Therefore, we will read this numeral as 4,321. How about this 5-digit number? This is read as 54,321. How about the 6-digit number? When we are reading more than 3 digits, just disregard the first 3 digits and then proceed with the reading. This is now read as 654,321. 321. Madali lang, di ba? Let's take an example of a one-digit number. You will read as just 7. How about a two-digit number? How do we read it? It is just as simple as reading a one-digit number. 87. This is read as 45. How about a three-digit number? There is a special treatment, but don't worry, it is easy. Just read the digit 9, followed by a word called 100, and then proceed with reading 87. 987. How about this number? 132. This one is 274. This one is 573. This is 876. How do you read a four-digit number? Remember about the separator comma, and it will represent 1,000. This is read as 3,987. How about this five-digit number? Do you still remember the trick? When it comes to more than 3 digits, we will cover the first 3 digits plus the comma. Therefore, we will read this as 23. 1,987. I repeat, 23,987. How about the 6-digit number? Remember the trick? We will cover the first 3 digits, including the separator comma. Now, we can proceed with the reading. 123,987. Let's repeat. 123,987. Another example of a 6-digit number. Now it's your turn to read.
Thunderball, don't me give it up, don't me give it up, don't me give it up to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, I'm a girl. Thunderball say, well, woman, you made it fine. Hold on, wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, gotta get the right thing.
Here are the symbols used. Less than sign, equal sign, greater than sign. Dahil natapos na natin ang number line, kailangan alam na natin kung alin ang mas maliit sa mas malaki o kapareho. Using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal sign. Dahil kailangan natin ang tulong ng the great equalist, kailangan i-explain niya kung ano-ano yung mga symbols na ating pag-aaralan. Greater than, less than, or equal sign. Upang lalo nating maintindihan, ito ang mga sumusunod na example. Two is less than 3. 3 is equal to 3. 30 is greater than 20. 11 is equal to 11. 4 is greater than 1. 21 is less than 30. 18 is less than 30. 100 is less than 200. Pakisulat ang mga sumusunod na symbols. 18 is less than 30. 19 is less than 20. 19 is less than 20. 14 is less than 22. 33 is equal to 33. 14 is less than 24. 23 is less than 24. 23 is greater than 20. 30 is equal to 30. 20 is less than 30. 19 is less than 29. After we have learned about number lines, we are going to discuss the symbols to compare numbers, namely less than, greater than, and equal sign. Mula sa 0 at pakanan, ito ay lumalaki ang kanyang value. At pakaliwa naman, ito ay lumiliit ang value. Ang pag-uusapan lang natin ay ang mga positive integers mula 0 hanggang 100. Tingnan natin kung totoo talagang ang nasa kaliwang bilang ay mas maliit kaysa nasa kanan. Let's take for example 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Let's take another example. 28 and 32. Tama! 28 is less than 32. Sa mathematics, maraming symbols na ating pwedeng gamitin to represent some English words. For example, this is the less than sign. Ang ibig sabihin, yung unang number ay mas maliit kaysa sa pangalawang number. Let's take, for example, 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Kapag pinaghahambing natin ang dalawang bilang at mas maliit ang nasa una, ang less than sign ang ating gagamitin. This is read as 15 is less than 20. I repeat, 15 is less than 20. The next symbol that we are going to discuss is the greater than sign. Let's compare the number 56 and 46. Let's compare the number 56 and 46. Can you determine the symbol that we are going to use in these numbers? Yes, you are right. It's the greater than sign. You will read this as 56 is greater than 46. I repeat, 56 is greater than 46. The next symbol we are going to discuss is the equal sign. It means both numbers are the same. For example, 56 is compared to 56. They have the same value. Therefore, the symbol we are going to use is the equal sign. Now, it is read as 56 is equal to 56. Now, it's your turn to determine the symbols we are going to use in comparing two numbers. Which symbol are you going to use? 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 Ngayong natuto na naman kayo sa isang lesson, kailangan ito ay hindi pagdamot. Kailangan i-share niyo sa inyong mga kaibigan. Bye-bye! Ang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Good day, kids! Tell me if the expression is true or false. 3 is greater than 2. Do you know the answer? That will be our lesson for today. We are now comparing two or more numbers. Using the number line, we all know that the number on the right side is bigger than the one on the left side. For demonstration purposes, we need our magic sticks to represent the numbers we are going to compare. We all know that 1 is less than 10. Here are the symbols we are going to use in comparing numbers. Greater than sign. It will be read as is greater than. Second one is the less than sign. This is read as is less than. The third symbol is the equal sign. This can be read as is equal to or equals. I repeat, is greater than, is less than, is equal to. Can you read what the diagram tells you? 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 Now it's time to have our short quiz. Read the diagram using our symbols. Congratulations kids! Ngayong marunong na kayong gumamit ng greater than, less than, or equal sign, yayain nyo ang inyong mga kaibigan na mag-join sa IVFC. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa advocacy for Filipino Children. Sa mga magulang na gustong mag-avail ng ating libreng serbisyo upang mas matuto ang ating mga bata sa mathematics, mangyari po lamang na magpag-ugnayan sa admin ng I Volunteer for Filipino Children.